What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about the Smart Select removal from the apps panel in One UI 6.1.1. Now we talked about this in a previous video. The new version of Smart Select, which is right here, now has basically AI enhanced capabilities. You can still select a portion of your screen and it will go ahead and highlight it. And now you have some additional options like using sketched image, but it took away the ability to create GIFs using Smart Select, which was previously on the apps panel. There's also some other things like the Lasso tool to select faces, things like that that were removed. So you actually have limited functionality compared to the old version, and a lot of people are pretty upset about that. Now, Samsung said that this was going to come back in the future. We didn't really know when, but now we have a pretty good idea. So I'm going to talk about that today. Before we get started, I do want to thank my 4-year-old son, Jonathan. We got the Triceratops hanging out over here. He always gives us some cool dinos and animals to hang out in the video. Also want to remind you guys, if you haven't checked out our website yet, go to sammyguru.com, covering the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. We all cover all the late breaking news over here as well, and it's a very, very exciting, and in fact, the story we're going to talk about today is right here. So we cover this on the website. If you are interested as well, if you're in the US, you can click on this and get a free mystery box when you order the Galaxy S25 series devices in January 2025. You'll be able to get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, and other randomly inserted goodies. Put in your phone number, email, or you can do both. The link will be in the pinned comment description. So here's the story. We knew that the Samsung GIF animation capture feature would return to Smart Select. We didn't know when. We thought it might come back with One UI 7.0, but it seems like Samsung has heard what you guys have said, and they're now bringing it back even sooner than that. So this kind of started back in July when the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 first got One UI 6.1.1. People voiced their displeasure with the fact that they removed this feature, and Samsung really commented and said it was going to come back. So now, from the Samsung community forums, we now have a screenshot showing that this is going to return. And in fact, I'll show you guys here. We linked it on the website, but I have it right here on X. This was posted by the one Sid. You see 9/22/2024, Samsung community forum moderator. First of all, I would like to apologize for the inconveniences many people have experienced since the release of 6.1.1. In the past, the Edge panel provided separate entry points for each specialized function through a separate Smart Select panel. There have been no major updates since the initial implementation. Recently, we've prepared an improved structure that can be expanded to develop AI functions by gathering them at the top of the app edge and applied it for the first time. The most inconvenient part of this process is the GIF creation function. We were reviewing a method to make it a little easier to create within the Smart Select, so we're unable to apply it at the time of 6.1.1. In fact, when we use it, we had difficulties in creating it from the exact part, so we're thinking about how to start these parts automatically. And as the structure changed, it was difficult to provide the existing function as it was. It says, we apologize for the inconveniences. The new method may take some more time, so they're going to go ahead and roll out, as you can see here, by the end of September, provide an app update around early October, the GIF creation function. In addition, we'll update the app to improve the accessibility of the fixed functions that are included with the options, and continue to develop other areas that need improvement, such as initial delay or area movement, by referring to your feedback. Now, the one thing they don't mention here, so we know the GIF creator is going to come back. It looks like by the end of September, they're going to try to have it finished and push it in October sometime, potentially with the October security patch, we would think. However, this doesn't say anything about the Lasso feature for selecting faces. I've heard from a number of you in the comments that you use that feature as well, primarily inside Smart Select, and we don't really know that that feature is going to return. But regardless, this is great news. One UI 7.0, we still don't know exactly when that's coming. This is probably going to come separately, probably with the stable security patch for devices on 6.1.1. Probably going to start rolling out to the Galaxy S24 models first. That's at least what I would think. Let me know if there's any other features you guys have found that are missing from Smart Select with this new AI enhanced version. I also don't like the fact that you can no longer select using the oval tool, where previously you could do ovals. Now you really can't do an oval. You have to select something and it automatically makes it into like a squircle shape, no matter what you choose for the shape. So that's pretty frustrating as well. There's certainly some pros to this as well, but there's a couple of cons. Hopefully Samsung will solve them. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon, future videos like this. Make sure you bookmark sammyguru.com. Come back and check for the latest Samsung news. We got a full writing team over there covering it. We got breaking news every day, tips, tricks, tutorials. Get the mystery box if you're in the US. Put your phone number, email. We'll send out the link on launch day in January 2025. Use our link to order your Galaxy phone from Samsung. We send out the cases, the cleaning kit for free. We cover shipping. You don't pay anything. Appreciate you guys checking out the video, And of course, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.